My name is Sonia. I run a design and fit out company, and I have done FIDIC course with Red Learning. It has turned out to be a great eye opener because there were many clauses which we use but we don't really understand the true meaning of it. Najmal sir has helped us go in depth about it, and we truly know the real meaning of those words, because just by attaching the contract we don't really understand how it is. And I would highly recommend that you do these courses through Red Learning, as they have a very cooperative staff, and the timings are flexible, and there is a lot of interactive sessions happening. Like each session was not just like a regular classroom. There was always some interaction, some question and answers. So overall it helped me a lot, and I plan to do some more certifications with Red Learning. Thank you very much.